All right, guys, to start off, we're going to take our Babyliss trimmer and I'm going to create my initial bald line. And this is the setup to the great foundation of a drop fade. Next, I'll come in with my Babyliss clipper, open blade, no guard, and I'm just making a 1/2 inch to 1 inch line right above my initial starting point. Don't want to go up too high, just stay in that pocket. Now I come in with an open 1 guard and I do the same step, repeating a 1/2 inch to 1 inch line in between. Now I have a 2 guard here, open, and now I'm just debulking at the highest point right around the occipital bone. So now I'm starting to do some of my detailing work. I have my 1 guard closed, and now I'm working my way back down from the 2, the 1 to no guard. And as you can see, I'm staying in that pocket. Here I have no guard, my Babyliss clipper completely closed, and this is just to work in that one zone so I can start removing that initial line that I created with my clipper, my trimmer, I'm sorry. And again, you notice that I'm not going up too high. I'm staying in that one little zone, in that one little pocket area, just to clean it up and make sure that the transition is a lot smoother. Here I go back in, I'm toggling with my 1 guard between open and closed. But if you notice, I'm only staying in these specific zones. I'm not going up too high, I'm not going up too low, I'm not switching out guards, I'm not doing anything. It's just basically toggling from open to close with this one particular guard. And staying in that pocket is going to ensure that your cuts come out a whole lot smoother. So again, I'm taking a 1 1/2, which is between my 1 and my 2. And that 1 1/2, I just want to go in that pocket and just make some subtle cleanups to make sure that I don't have any excess or any bulk areas exposed. And again, guys, it's just about staying in that pocket, not going up too high, or going too low. You just want to stay in the pocket and make sure you focus on that one area. So now that most of the bulk work is done, let's do a little bit more detailing. And again, guys, your visual is not going to be the same as everybody else's. But if you have a plan and you work your plan, I can guarantee you that your cuts will come out a lot cleaner and you'll be more efficient. And efficiency leads to more money. So here now we got everything set up. Now I'm just going to come with my 3 guard right around the occipital bone, between the occipital bone and the crown, and just start to clean all of that out, make that transition as smooth as possible. And if you notice, I'm not using the entire guard, I'm only using the corners. And I'm attacking my one area that I see that I don't like. And as you attack those areas, everything starts to smooth out for you. Again, no guard, and the detail work is going to be some of the most important work outside of the foundation, because now this is where the haircut comes to life. Finally, let's give the line up. I like to start in the middle and work my way from side to side, as opposed to starting on the vertical bars, because sometimes you tend to make the bars longer than the other. But if you start with a straight line across the top of the head, it'll ensure that your vertical bars match on either side. So now that I got my straight line, now I can come in and start working on my vertical bars, which this is the waxing of the haircut. You got everything all shined up. Now let's put a little bit of wax on it. And here we go. I hope these steps helps you new barbers, some of you older barbers, any barber that wants to learn. Please follow us on Instagram @LuxGroom. Click, like, and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the shop again. Hope this tutorial works for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll be sure to respond. And if you have anything else you'd like to ask me, don't hesitate. This is Notch with LuxGroom Mobile Barber Technologies, and we are out.